Look what I found on the doormat. Welcome to already the first unboxing video. Again. On the Jeppy vlog. Vlog episode 6. The most hip, young looking 40-year-old baller boy. Hip. Are you ready for this? There he is. This is about my life. And this is the highlight of the day. A new webcam. Facecam. Premium Full HD webcam. Full HD. 1080p60. Whatever that means. Low latency, uncompressed video, state-of-the-art Sony sensor, powerful low light performance, that's the thing I was looking for. True HD at 60 FPS. Advanced image engine, Elgato prime lens, blah 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 blah. Butchering the packaging here. There we go. Ugh, we need to do both sides. I'm all about investing lately. And I thought it would be a good time to invest in a new camera. Since I'm doing the YouTube thing more often. I look at my previous output, my first 5 vlogs, and I'm like, even my iPhone 6 does a better job. Yeah, I still have an iPhone 6 with a Mario cover. Ancient fun. But at least we have a hip, new, cool webcam. If this was a game with a booklet, I would be going crazy right now, but this doesn't do it for me. So let's take out the camera. First impression? This is light as a feather. If you no longer use this camera, you can't use it as a paperweight, because this is lighter than paper. But it wasn't cheap. It's also not sponsored by them, so take this off, not breaking anything. I want to take off this cover, but I feel like if I pull this, then this whole thing falls apart. Oh dear. Did I break it already? Oh, there we go. There he is. So, and this also comes with a little box, which holds the USB cable. That might come in handy. Because we want to hook this up and test it and see how this shit camera performs compared to this cool camera. So, now I have to get behind this desk. I love my life. Holy shit. I can already tell this is so much better. Although, it's a bit overexposed. See if we can fix that. So this is their software. It's really dark right now in this room. I have 2 lights here. They are giving a pinkish color, as you can see probably in the reflection of the TV behind me. I'm already amazed with the quality. Like if I... See? The automatic exposure was doing a really good job. Automatic white balance. We can do it ourselves. Play with these settings to get more exposure. Some noise reduction, always nice. Well, obviously I'm not doing a good job at this right now. I'm not an expert on good image quality anyway. I will have some time off camera to play with this and to see if I can get a nice looking picture for at least my standards. And then we'll use it for the next one. So, thank you for subscribing. Say bye to Tourette, our family mascot. Oh, she's a good dog. Cheers guys, see you in the next one.